Alright guys, so I'm gonna show you how to fix a radio on a 2003 Toyota Corolla. So on this one, my radio and my power outlets are not working, so I don't have any power from here or to my radio. Okay, so this is gonna be, the cause of this is gonna be a blown fuse. We're gonna be changing our fuse right now. In order to fix this, we have to go on this side of the car. The fuse is gonna be located right underneath this. So we wanna remove this first. That way we get some light. Okay, we're gonna remove this. You have to remove the bottom. See, you have to push it up, and then these two tabs will easily come out. So we put that there, and then the fuse box is not gonna be here. It's gonna be, if we look down, it's gonna be on this side. It's gonna be right underneath. It's right there. So that's gonna be our fuse box. We're gonna open it. Okay, let's see. So for us to open this, we have to actually push on this side. Let's see if you guys can see. So we have to push in, and it's gonna pop right out. Okay. So on our cover, on the other side of the cover, so this one doesn't say which one it is. So you can see this cover. Let's see right there. So it doesn't tell us which fuse it is, but it'll tell us the fuse location here on this side. Let's see if I can zoom in. Okay. Also, it will actually tell us which one is the fuse on this side. So we have to find our power outlet. So it's gonna say, let's see what we got. Let's get ourselves more comfortable and look for the one. So it's gonna be the cigarette lighter. So it's gonna be this one. Okay, so if we look under, it's a 50 amp cigarette lighter. So if we look under again, okay, and we look through this side, it's gonna be the bottom. From the bottom, it's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4 to the right. So it's gonna be 1, 2, 3. It's gonna be that 15 right there. It's gonna be that one. So we're gonna remove that one. There should be a tool which is gonna be located with our spares. If we look right under the hood, we're gonna be able to find the spare ones. Okay, I don't know why I'm zoomed in. Okay, right there. So okay, so we're gonna look right in here. This is where all the fuses are gonna be. Okay, remove that. If we look at this thing here, it's gonna say spare right there, spare. So it'll be these ones. These are our spare fuse, so we're gonna take that one out. This is our tool, so remove that one. Okay, and then we're gonna go back into the car. Okay, we're gonna leave that one there for now. Okay, we're gonna inspect it, make sure it's fine, it's not blown, so it looks good. We're gonna remove the one that it's bad. Okay, get it under the car again. Wow, it's pretty tight. Let's try to get it out one more time. Damn. Let's try it again. Okay. Sorry about the lighting, guys. Not so good under the car. It's very uncomfortable. Okay. Let's try. Okay, we got it. There we go. See how it's broken? So now we're gonna grab the new one and we're gonna stick it right in. Okay. So with the new one, let's see, let me show you guys. So next to the 10, I put it back in. Yes, there we go. Okay, it's on. Okay, it's in there. The 15 amp fuse. So now we're gonna go check if the radio works. Okay, so it's off. Turn this off. Now we're gonna turn it off. On again. Okay, it's not working. Okay guys, for this model, for the radio, it's gonna be, they're not together. So the one under the steering wheel is gonna be for the power outlet, and then this one, the one for the radio, is gonna be marked as dome. So we have to go here and find one that says dome. So it's gonna be, let's try to find it here. Let's get some lighting. That one. Okay. So 15A, 15 amperes. So if we go back to this, it's gonna be dome. Let's see, 15 amp. So I think it's gonna be, should be, that's gonna be our dimmer right there. Okay, if we look at it like this, actually like this, so the dome is gonna be so it should be like this. It's kind of hard to find it. It's gonna be under our 30 amp main. So actually it's gonna be actually it's gonna be the one that we just removed. So right there, we're gonna grab our spare one, which is gonna be this one. This is gonna be our spare one. Okay, so we're gonna put the spare one there. We're going back with the tool. We're gonna grab our little tool. We left it here. Okay, so we're gonna grab that 15 ampere. Okay, I'm gonna put it here. Okay, make sure you turn the car off. The car was on, but I think we can see that it's working. We can hear that something is working. So radio. Okay, let's turn the radio on. Okay, so we got this on. Okay, we got time, and then we got a radio on finally, guys. Okay, so we got two fuse locations. We got one under here, under the steering wheel. Okay, and then the other one is gonna be under our hood. It's gonna be the one that says dome. So yeah, we got a radio working. If you like this video, please subscribe, and then I'll keep uploading videos on how to fix cars and stuff. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you learned something new. Okay, see ya.